What's up, YouTube? It's Mr. Dro. So originally I was gonna be doing a gaming channel. I changed my mind. Kind of want to do reviews instead. Kind of like it better, anyways. But today I'll be talking about my Yamaha R3, and the new exhaust system I bought for it. Little rundown on my Yamaha. I bought it back in 2016, brand new. I drove it for a couple months, and then I joined the Army. I didn't touch it after I left for the Army. I was in Washington. Now I'm back in Kentucky. So I'm getting it ready for me to ride. But all this coronavirus stuff's going on right now, so I can't do anything because I gotta get it, the license plate for it and everything. I still have the fucking temporary on it. But yeah, I'm just gonna give you a rundown on stuff that I bought from it to replace all the stock stuff, because everything on it was stock before I came back, because I didn't really get to touch it. It was like $600 to ship to where I was, and I wasn't about to do that. But tell you about my new turning signals I bought for it to replace the stock ones. I don't know if y'all have seen the stock ones, but they're ugly, they're big, and they stick all the way out. They're terrible. And then I bought fender delete, which is pretty much just a license plate holder. It's right here. And then the tail light I bought, it's got the turning signal and stuff in it. And I bought a new exhaust for it. That's what we're gonna be talking about today. This is the stock, and then this is the one I bought. This is from eBay too. Everything I bought for my motorcycles on eBay. This is the new exhaust system. I bought it. The seller was Master Cycle Shop, and then the box says it's from California Power Sports. That's what it looks like. It's got chrome for the rest of the exhaust system. But I'll do a before and after. Show you what it sounds like now, and show you what it sounds like after I put the new one on. I bought it just for the look, to get rid of that stock look, and then for the sound too, because I'll show you what it sounds like here in a second. Yeah, so I had to run back in and get my freaking key. I forgot it. I just woke up, and I'm excited about this exhaust, so I didn't freaking have everything ready. But this is what it sounds like now with the stock exhaust. That's what it sounds like with the stock. I'll throw it all on, and then I'll show you what it sounds like with the new one. Alright guys, so it's super simple to take off. So all you're gonna need, 12mm socket, ratchet, 12mm wrench. It comes in the toolkit. If you don't have the toolkit, it's 12mm. Where's the other one? You're gonna need a 4mm Allen wrench, and then you're gonna use a 12mm wrench, a 12mm socket right here on the back where the exhaust is, because it's got a nut on the back, and then a bolt, and then you're gonna need a 12mm to go here. That's the last bolt. I haven't took it out because it's gonna fall down. But it's kind of at an angle. You don't really have to take anything off. Just be careful you don't strip it. If you're gonna strip it, you might as well just go ahead and take the foot off. And oh yeah, shit. I use a 4mm Allen wrench to take the bolts out of the fairing right here, and then so I could get to the sensor. 17mm goes right there. Just take that out. Then right here, where the exhaust meets the engine, it's gonna be 12mm on all 4 of those. And right here, this is gonna be 12mm as well. And then it's gonna be off. So I ended up mounting it right here. You see? And then it's pretty easy to put together, except for these. They're kind of a bitch. But all you gotta need is some like pliers or something, or you could use a string to put the springs on. I don't know if you've ever done it, but and then you'll need a 5mm Allen wrench for this. Comes in the box. It doesn't come with any instructions either. And it has a 1/2" nut on the back. So what I ended up doing, I put these on first. I just had the nuts on them but loose so I can move them around if I needed to. And then I put the center part on that has a little swirl in it. And then I put the bolt in it, but I didn't tighten it yet. I left everything pretty. I put it on there, but I left it loose so I could move it if I needed to. And then I put the tip on, bolted it in, and I bolted the middle in all the way. And I finished it up here to make sure everything had a good connection. But let's see what it sounds like. And one other thing I had to do, forgot to mention, was the sensor. I had to take these off so I could twist it a little bit, because this sits a little higher. This exhaust sits a little higher than the stock one. So, I mean, you could have done it, but it was just difficult and getting in the way and stuff. So I just ended up taking these 2 out and then putting it in and then putting them back on. Alright guys, so I just finished the install. It looks great. I already started it. It sounds great. I'll start it for you guys. Probably my favorite thing I've done to the bike so far. Pretty much it. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Yep. Almost forgot to show you the other things I got for my motorcycle. It's a new tail light that I got. It was like $24 on eBay from China. That's where I got it. What did I say? There was one on Amazon. It was more expensive. I'm sure I bought the knockoff brand, but looks good to me. I wasn't about to pay $80 for the same looking one. But it works just fine. Turn the signals on it. Boom. And then I got my fender eliminator. All it does is, this is just a license plate holder. It's got the light on it and stuff. I like it because how flush it is. And then turning signals up front. I want to say they were like 18 bucks or something. That's pretty much it.